about to do a high puff on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. As you've seen in my last video of me demonstrating deep conditioning. So I'm going to be using this, my puff ringlet that I got from my local beauty supply store in the size large because I have a lot of thick hair. I'm going to be using, of course, Eco Styling Gel. And then I'm probably going to go in with a little bit of Gorilla Snot. And then I'm going to do my beautiful edge lock stuff. So let's go ahead and get this started. You feel me? Get this pouch. Yeah, it ain't that easy once you finally get your hair where you need it to be. It's not that easy. My hair is damp, by the way. Okay, so for some people this would be good enough. Now it's not good enough for me, just because, like, for one, I haven't laid my edges or anything like that. I just kind of separated the part that I wanted to be out on each side. But yes, some people would be good enough with that, but I'm not. So if I have time, I'm gonna try to go in with these and make a curly hot puff. All right, well, I tell you what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all the right and the wrong way. Okay, so once y'all were to get your hair lubricated with what you want on it, can y'all stop opening that door? Thank you. Okay, this is wrong. No, you do not do that. Okay, don't do that, because I did that when I first got these, and that's the reason why my curls weren't turning out the way I wanted them to be. So no. Okay, once you get your section the size that you want it to be and everything, y'all hold on for a second. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and demonstrate this since I got y'all back where I need y'all to be. This is the correct way to do this. You wrap the ends around, and then you come around like this, see? And then you get your finger, push your hair around it like that. Slide it down a little bit, and then continue to push your hair around the perm rod or whatever these things is. Around it like that. Ooh. And try to get it as tight as you can, because that is what's going to give you that spiral curl look that you want. It's a lot more difficult when you do it this way. Oh, Lord have mercy. If only I could get this string. Oh, thank you, Lord. Okay, right way to do it. Wrong way. You see the difference? Like, these have sections 1, 2, 3, and you might be able to get 4 or 5. It depends on the size of your curling tool, but this is the wrong way. It's just one big old loop, and when it come down after it done dried, it's gonna be looking like this, but it'll be dry, so it'll be a little poofier like that. Like, that's kind of how it would look. That's the wrong way. You don't want that. Whenever these come down, you'll know the difference. Oh, and taking it down, you got to take it down careful like this, because you don't want to disturb that curl pattern. Now you see how it's already starting to form. So of course, when it dries, it will be a lot better. Okay, so that's the type of curls I'm going for with this high puff look. So I shall see y'all when I see y'all. Okay. Oh, word for the day. Shamrock, Meshach, and Abednego. Not a Billy Goat, Abednego. The king wanted to have them thrown into a furnace, burning furnace. And when the guards threw them in, the guards died. But when the king looked in, he said, "Did I not throw 3 men in this furnace?" His men said, "Yes, king, you did. Yeah, you threw 3 of them in there." But he seen 4 men in the furnace. And Shamrock, Meshach, and Abednego, they were still alive after they got out of that burning furnace. So Even if you're going through tough times, don't think you by yourself. God always got you. Always. Always. Especially when you being done wrong. You don't have to get even with them, because God will make them your footstool at the end. Okay? Trust and believe in him. I promise he will not let you down. And as soon as you let him into your life, you'll see the difference. You'll see the changes. You'll see that you're more at peace. You have more joy. Things don't bother you as much as they would if you were only focused on yourself. Well, that's all for today. I love y'all.
Hello and good morning. I'm gonna go ahead and get this taken care of. My hair is still a little damp after putting all these things in my head, so I'm just gonna give it that extra oomph to make sure it's dry so that the curls can kind of set pretty good. I guess I should have put the bonnet on first, but I'm really sleepy. It's too early for me. But it is the life of someone who serves God. No matter how early it gotta be, I'm getting done, you know what I'm saying? That was the sound of my thingy coming off of the blow dryer. Once again, it's pretty early, and I'm just tired. I hope y'all are having a pretty good day so far. Okay.
Alright, y'all, we are gonna make it through this morning no matter what it takes, okay? Stay motivated.
Alright. It's about that time. And I didn't want to overdo it. That was just warm heat. Like I said, it's not direct heat, so I'm okay with that. It may not be for you. You can stay there for 2 or 3 days or whenever your hair decides to dry. But with natural honeys, of course, it's going to be way longer than relaxed. I miss those days on some points, but it's worth it in the end, you know. That extra struggle. So as I was saying, I'm gonna go in with all of these. Really. I'm gonna go in and put this on my fingertips so that whenever I take my hair down, it won't be frizzy as much. Like, it's to control the frizz for you. So about 2 good pumps. Man, I'm so tired, y'all. I can't even get it together. Okay, so I got the oil on my head. My hands. I'm just gonna stop talking because I see that it's not going to get it this morning. Some type of oil on your hands before you take down the stuff. And remember, I told you to kind of coil it in the direction of the curl. So that's how it's gonna be. Y'all, forgive me, okay? But I don't know if you can. That's the curl we're going for. Let me go ahead and take the rest of these down. I need to stop trying to do it in order and just take them down because I see I'm kind of fidgeting. All right, I'm trying to take y'all step by step. And so I'm getting my last one. Oh no, I should have. Okay, we know what that. But yeah, I'm just taking it out, and this is how it's looking so far. So I'll bring you into the light so you can see this is what we're dealing with. So I'm gonna go in and separate all of these so you can see what it looks like. All right. Hey, I turned the camera so that y'all can kind of see from a different angle of how I'm doing this. I know I'm looking like flat top right now, but that's because I haven't done my fluffing. But you just continue putting that oil on your fingertips to help minimize the frizz. And y'all, my hair is still partially dry. Partially wet. It's still partially wet. Get it together. Like I said, it's too early for me. But I'm gonna make it though. My sense will catch up to me eventually. Y'all, I'm having a rough time. Just ignore that, okay? But once the separating process is done, I'll tell you that the smaller the curl, the more kind of defined it looks. But I can't find my comb right now, so I'm just gonna be using my hubby's pick, and I'm gonna fluff it up. Just kind of go to the roots now. Don't go trying to pick the curls itself. Just go in and pick it up. And like I said, my hair is still kind of wet from not being able to dry it. But there are some things that we can't complain over, you know. Don't cry over spilled milk. But, you know, overall it still looks fairly decent. Now, the first time I did this, it was a whole lot better because I had time to let it dry, you know. As you see, I don't even really know how to use these doggone picks, but we're gonna hope I don't pick out by out. Just take your time. But for me, I don't have time because I gotta get to church. You know what I'm saying? I got to sing them hymns and, you know, perform music and things. A wooden woo-doo, wooden, a wooden woo-doo. You know, gotta get in that, you know, that spirit, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so like I said, it didn't turn out like it did the first time. If I can find a picture of it, I'll figure out a way to get it on here. But if you can see it, that's the ending result, you know. Like I said, it was better the first time, but I didn't have time to get my hair fully dry. But hopefully you will, you know. You could probably plan it for the event. This was a last minute thing, and I was like, oh, can I do it? Can I do it? Oh, well, you see now that if you ain't got to try for it, it ain't no point doing it. So, I'm gonna probably get this hair laid down on the sides with my EBIN and try to refluff it again for y'all. So hold on one more time. Okay, so this is the finishing look.
it's the finishing lip. I know you're probably saying, girl, you going out there with your hair looking like that? I ain't got no choice, okay? I'm gonna make it work, you know what I'm saying? I just laid my hair down a little bit and kind of fluffed the curls just a little bit, you know? Like, did I encourage you? I did encourage you. Just in case, I will tell you this. Without loving someone else and everyone else, you will not make it into the kingdom of heaven. Because you're supposed to treat others as you want to be treated, but then also God says to love your fellow man. And you also have to love your enemies. Oh no, I think I already said that once before. But that's okay. It's a friendly reminder. Love everyone. Because that's the only way you're going to make it in. Well, yeah. It's not the only way. Like, you have to do other things also. But you can't make it in without doing that as well. So, to you, I still overcame it. Like, but... Did I just say? Y'all, I'm cutting this camera off. You feel me? Off. And I'm probably not going to talk to y'all no more today. This is not a good day. I meant to say what? Not. Love y'all and y'all be blessed.
I gotta talk to him cause I got a million questions and I know he can answer it all with one answer. That's the first thing I do when I walk in heaven. Praise to you.